Did you know that when you have a Bluetooth speaker, for example, the sound actually compresses, so you're not getting the full rich sound that the music is intended for? So at the end of IFA in Berlin last year, we said that design would play a huge element in tech this year, especially retro design. And look what we found, the VOIZ AI Radio. It's got a very nice retro feel to it, made out of bamboo. And also it just blends into your home. So we talked about how design shouldn't disrupt your home, but also just blend in. At the same time, it's an AI radio. So AI is really big this year, and we're taking that into audio. What does AI radio mean? Did you know that when you have a Bluetooth speaker, for example, the sound actually compresses, so you're not getting the full rich sound that the music is intended for? Here with AI radio, everything's streamed over the internet, and with the AI component, they partner with Alexa, so you can control the radio using your voice and say things like, Alexa, go to my favorite radio station, and your radio will do that for you. So not only are you not losing the quality and sound, you're also making your radio much smarter. So it's advanced technology in a very retro package. This smart radio features bamboo cabinet exteriors, removable cloth grills, high-performance 3-inch speakers with oversized strong magnets, far-field voice recognition microphones, a custom-tuned DSP, a powerful Class D digital amplifier, and built-in Alexa voice control. So all in all, why is this an interesting product? It does look like any other speaker out there on the market, but it's really the AI radio component that makes it different than anything else. It is the first smart radio on the market, and that redefines your entire radio experience. Think about back in the day where you're just going from station to station, hoping to skip commercials and listen to that favorite song of yours that just happens to come on. With a customized AI radio, you're able to get to your favorite music, your favorite stations through voice control. And eventually it learns your preferences, your taste in music, and it'll just go straight to the stations that you love. I also really love the retro feel and look to this. So for anybody who's sort of like, oh my gosh, AI, the smart technology, new technology, I'm a little bit scared or skeptical of it, it makes it a much safer place for you to enjoy new technology in a very retro package. So here are the 3 models right now. This one's priced at $299, this is $249, and this is $229. And VOIZ is saying that they should be out on the market by middle of this year. And if you do get the VOIZ AI radio, you gotta say, Alexa, go to the TechTheLead radio station. Yeah, we don't have one yet.